Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about legitimate ways to make money from home, save, and invest. My name is Whitney Bonds, and if you guys have been watching my recent videos, you've probably noticed that a lot of them have been on affiliate marketing. Now that's because it's my absolute favorite way to make money on my website, and it's how I make the most of my money. Now, I was approached by System.io to review their affiliate marketing program and to share it with my audience. Now, I want you guys to know that I normally do not do any sponsored videos because I don't want to be swayed in my opinion when I'm trying to review something and share it with you guys. But this one honestly had me intrigued, and I have never ever seen anything like it before. So I chose to do this one to share with you guys because this is a great affiliate opportunity and a great way to make money online. So this video is going to be about how to make money with System.io. So let's first talk about what System.io is and how it works. Now, System.io is an all-in-one business building platform that has everything you need to get up and running for your online business. You can create sales funnels, do email marketing. You can actually create your website in under 10 minutes. They have a great affiliate program management system, business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses, blogging. You can sell your products on here. You literally can do everything on this one platform. Now, as you guys know, or I should say some of you, I am a huge fan of WordPress, and I always will be. But I understand the learning curve is quite big, and I really suggest just using WordPress if you want to focus on creating content to show up in the search results on Google. But if your main goal is to sell a physical or a digital product via other traffic sources like social media, then I honestly would suggest really considering System.io. Now, let's look at the pricing structure just to show you how this all works. Now, these are their choose your plan options. So they have a lot that you can do for free. So this is very attractive to people who are just getting started. And then it goes up to $27 per month, and then $47 per month, and then $97. So let's just look at the different options. So at 2,000 contacts, you get it for free. Emails are unlimited. You get 3 sales funnels steps. You get 10 of those. You get to do 1 blog, which you only need 1 blog typically anyway. Blog posts are unlimited, so that's great. And the list can go on and on about all things that they have here, and I'm not going to go through it all here, but I just want to show you what's all involved in their free plan. And this is how I would do it if I want to make money with System.io. If you decide to use it, you would just naturally promote it or write an article about how you use it for your business. So you could write a step-by-step article or a how to set up your website article, something like that. And if someone wanted their site to be like yours, they would naturally just click on your links that you provide in that article because they are taking step-by-step instructions from you. Now, I've even seen YouTubers do the same thing, and they are making over $1,000 per month by creating these how-to step-by-step videos with System.io. And that's how they're making their money because they're showing you step-by-step how to do this, and people are naturally just going to click on the link in their description so they can actually go ahead and sign up for System.io and go through the steps that that YouTuber took to take them to how to use it and how to use it for their business. So does that make sense? What you want to do is use the system yourself first. Make sure you get all the kinks out of it, have a full understanding of how it works. And you also want to get some results out of using the system so you can say, hey, I've been able to get my sales channel running through System.io. I'm making money now. This is how I'm doing it, and this is how you can do it too. And by doing a step-by-step article or video, this is how you can make money by doing it. And I know if you're wondering, how do I make money of this if they offer so much for free? And that's true. But you make money when that person grows their business. So when they get beyond 2,000 contacts, that's when they're going to be forced to go into their paid platform. And that's how you're going to start making money with System.io. But now there's some other ways I'm going to mention in a second, but let's go ahead and look at their affiliate marketing program. Now their affiliate marketing program is out of this world. And this is what I thought was so attractive. So you get to earn 40% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. So that means every time someone uses your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get 40% of that sale. And the other thing about System.io is that they also have courses. So when you sign up, they're gonna naturally just be sending you one of their email funnels about how to use System.io and different ways you can build your business. Now, if someone signs up and they get in that email funnel and they actually buy one of the courses that System.io created, and they click on that and make a purchase, you get a commission out of that sale too because you brought that user to System.io and you get 40% off of that as well. And it's lifetime commission. So every single month, you're going to get paid from System.io from that person that signed up using your affiliate link. But wait, there's more. So they also have this earn 5% second tier affiliate commission program. Any person that you referred, if they refer someone, you also get paid. It's one of like those marketing schemes that you kind of want to stay away from, but this one actually is legit and it's pretty cool. And anyone can be an affiliate. So this means that you do not have to be a System.io customer to go ahead and promote it. But I always say you want to use these programs yourself first. This is how you build trust with your audience, saying this is what I use and this is why you should use it too. That gives them more of a reason to sign up using your affiliate link. The other cool thing about their affiliate marketing program is that anyone you refer, they are permanently marked with your affiliate ID. So say someone clicks on your System.io affiliate link and signs up for their free plan, but they don't get active for a while, it doesn't matter because once they do, you will get credit for whenever they finally go ahead and sign up. It's not like Amazon where you get that 24-hour cookie. This cookie works forever. So they are always going to be permanently locked to you because you were the first person that referred them to System.io. Does that make sense? This is not an overnight get rich quick program. This is something that works over time, but it is easy to promote because they offer so much for free. And it has all the things a beginner would need when starting their online business. So if you guys are interested in this opportunity, be sure to use my link below so I can let System.io know how many people were interested in this. Now I want to show you guys this last thing that's going to be a great way to make money with their affiliate marketing program that they have in the System.io system. Let's take a look. Okay, so once you logged in, you go to dashboard and you go to marketplace. And this one is so cool. So look at this. They have all these different courses that are available and it shows you right away what your commission rate will be. So it's going to be 50% right here for this course that you would get if someone purchases it. 5% will be the second tier. And in the last 30 days, no one has purchased this, so it shows you right there. Now, I saw a program in here that I wanted to share with you guys that I thought was pretty cool. I'm going to go to it right now. So I think it was on the second or third page. So basically what you want to do is just look through the different offers that they have in here and see what ones make sense for you and your audience. But let me just give you a quick example of how this looks. So say for example, let's see this one right here. This website and blog template. So if you click on this right here. So this is a launch a custom website and blog on System.io fast. So this is a quick course that you can promote to your audience. And they have everything in here. So if you go to the sales page, promote offer, if you click on this right here. So this would be the landing page that you take your users to. And it gives them the whole rundown about why they should purchase this system. It has a video of why they should get this. And it gives them all the different reasons about how this could help them in their business. Now let's go right back to System.io really quick. Now this offer, it has a 7-day payout. You get 25% commission on this. And you get $31 is the average commission per sale. So that's not bad at all if you could get this done. And then they show you everything. It says what's all included, plus a step-by-step video tutorials on how to set up the template. So they give you all the information right here on how to set this up and how to promote this so you don't have any questions about how can I do this or what materials do you need. It is all right here. I know one of the problems that I see all the time with beginners trying to get into affiliate marketing, they can't get approved into different affiliate marketing programs or they don't even know what programs they could promote. So with System.io, you can go through here and just look at all the different offers they have. And then when you do, they have all the information you need to go ahead and promote it and be successful in it, just like this one. And then if we just go back here, like I said, I would just go through here and just look at the different things that they have in here and what makes sense for your audience and get started promoting this. Now, I like to do my research before I promote anything on my website and to my users. So I say the same thing to you guys. Even with these offers right here, do your research first and make sure that this is an actual successful program that people are getting results from. That's very important because you have to build trust with your audience if you're gonna do well with affiliate marketing. And also, I always say, do your research before you do anything. Just watching this video is not enough to go ahead and sign up for System.io. I want you guys to go further and do your research on the different pros and cons that this system has versus a WordPress website. And there are plenty of videos and articles out there that give you that information. So do your research. And if you do, come back to this video and click on my link. All right, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you guys would use. And I have some really good stuff coming your way. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and hit that bell for notifications so you guys are not gonna miss out on those videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.